Okay, so let's take a look at the appearance. Now, if you know the game, it's not quite accurate, but it's very close. Just a few color variations, right? So let's take a look at the helmet first, right? So you're looking at the helmet, you're gonna get this red color. It's gonna be touched off with some metallic finish to it, which is real smooth, and it looks pretty decent. Also, the visor itself, you see that green color? It would have been nice if you could see the eyes of her face, anything in her face inside. Usually you get that with some, but this one you do not. Don't know why, but it does look good, and you do see the reflection. Very nice there, but it would have been great to see the eyes behind the visor. That's the ding, okay? So let's take a look at the neck. You see where the neck is, where the ball and socket is, where you can rotate the head. This is just some plastic. It should be PVC. It will look a lot better than this bulky looking plastic. It looks very tacky. Let me go up close for you guys. It just doesn't look really good. It's okay. It's just plastic, very hard plastic, right? Okay, so you see that there. So looking at the figure, standing alone, it looks really good standing up. But so taking a look at the shoulders, of course, those are proportioned. We do know that she has the bulky shoulders, right? That's right, okay. Now look at her chest here, where the green is, and you can see the green here and green here. Quote me if I'm wrong, I think this is supposed to be at a yellow color. This is supposed to be a yellow color, kind of a fluorescent color. This is not. This is some cheesy green paint they use. Would have been nice to use that visorish color on the straps here, but let's get a close look. You see it? That is very cheesy. It's still on that nice red metallic finish like the helmet, but look at that green touch. It's just, it looks like Mattel. Just real fast color. It doesn't look great at all. You should have had that grooved in and put some of that fluorescent touch to it. And I think it's supposed to be a yellowish color, not green at all. So I think that's wrong there. Like I said, quote me if I'm wrong. Let me know in the comments if you think it's any different. But I think that's supposed to be a yellowish fluorescent color, or maybe the color of the visor. But you see it there. Looking at the body of the figure in this yellowish metallic color, that's correct. You do see the black in the grooves, like the joints, I mean. You can see the black there. That blends in well because it's a suit, so that kind of takes away from it being a joint, being that it's in a suit. We do like that. So you do see the burnt orange metallic finish, which looks correct. Let's take a look at that hand there, right? There you go. And that looks really good. The finish is good. The paint doesn't seem like it runs off anywhere. However they did the coating, the finish coat, it looks really good. So a fan of that. Let's take a look at her plasma weapon there. Okay, same with the paint. This is supposed to be more of a, I guess, a fluorescent color, but then we're getting this cheesy green again. Let me get you a little close look of that. You're getting that cheesy looking green, and I think that's supposed to be a more yellowish color. Okay, and then you'll get more on the back of her legs there. You see that green? It's cheesy. It's not, it doesn't look good. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it back around. Now you're looking at the spikes that come up. Those look really good, just like the video game. You do have them protrude out by the knees like that, and then you have them by the foot, by the ankle, and coming out on top of the foot there, right? That looks really good. Okay, so let's go and take a look at her back. Here we go. You do have that jetpack, right? So the jetpack, you have vents there on the jetpack. What is lacking is, I mean, do something like Hasbro does with Iron Man. Give us some fire effects, you know, a little bit of fluorescent fire, and you can just peg them inside. Let's take a look at that closely so you can see that. You see, just put some pegs in there and you just put some fire effects. Don't leave it just as is, especially for the price, but you do have that metallic finish, just like the helmet and the front of the suit, and it's okay. It's not that great, and there goes more of that tacky green paint, right? Okay, and then you see that the joints are all black, right? Pertaining to the suit, you're getting this PVC plastic look by the legs here. I do like that. Like I said, that should have been, if you look real closely, that's more flexible plastic is what they should have used here by the neck, I think, right? So looking at the figure itself, and there you know the air intake there, that looks pretty decent. Let me get you a close look on that air intake. It's not bad. Just no reflection. No reflection of her inside the visor. Man. Okay, but there you have it. For me, I think the figure looks really well. Just a few minor paint incorrect, but hey, it doesn't look bad. Guys, let me know what your thoughts are on this figure as is. Let me know. And that will do it for the appearance.